Delivering on digital. ANCA's new website is functional and highly visual. Bringing ANCA CNC machines, ANCA Motion and ANCA sheet metal solutions together on one site, learn everything you need to know about us and our people. Designed and built with the customer's needs as the core driver, our new website is the door to the ANCA brand, products, services, and company culture. Check out our new careers section. Meet the people that make ANCA successful and search for a new opportunity to join the ANCA team. Keeping our customers in mind, our site includes new interactive features so you can easily find product information, compare machines to find the right product for your needs. The application page makes it easy to find what machine, software or product you need for your required application or industry. Find a trade show close to you so that you can come and see ANCA's technology in action in person. Get in contact with your local ANCA representative in seconds. The brand new News and Media section is your portal to information about ANCA's products and services. Find the latest ANCA news, tips and product releases, as well as other interesting insights on the industry. Visit our support section to see our online parts catalogue and ask for a quote. Access our new website anywhere on any device in multiple languages. Visit anca.com today.